So after using these watches for 2 of my kids, I can say they've held up really well even during outdoor activities. I also love that only parent-approved contacts can communicate with them. Hi guys, so today I'm unboxing and reviewing this TickTalk 5 Kids smartwatch. This was designed specifically for children and it comes with features like GPS tracking, two-way video calling, SOS emergency calling, and even a 911 feature. Inside the box, you'll find the charging cable, a small screwdriver, a SIM lid opener, the instruction manual, and a few notes from the manufacturer. And of course, last but not least, the watch itself. We got the purple one. But they do have other fun colors available for kids to choose from. The watch already comes with a pre-installed SIM card, but you still need to scan the QR code on the back using the TickTalk Parent app. This is what you get when you scan it. You go through the registration and setup process so you can connect the watch to your phone. Here's a closer look at the watch. First impressions, I'm actually really impressed with the quality. You get this nice size red button for SOS or emergency calling, which is one of the biggest safety features on this watch. Turning it on and setting it up is pretty straightforward. So once you're connected to the TickTalk Parent app, you can manage features like GPS tracking, contacts, reminders, and more directly from your phone. When we purchased this for my daughter, the 2 available networks were AT&T and T-Mobile. One of the standout features for me is definitely the real-time GPS tracking. Being able to track your child's location anytime gives a lot of peace of mind. I also really like the do not disturb mode. This is perfect for school hours, homework time, bedtime, because it helps reduce distractions while still allowing the watch to function safely. The watch also includes reminder and task features, which I think is a fun way to help kids build responsibility. Love the two-way video calling. Honestly, the quality is better than I expected for a kid's smartwatch. Your child can easily make video calls, voice calls, and even send messages, which makes communication really convenient. My child enjoyed using it for reminders like homework and chores, taking pictures, and listening to music. So I would recommend this watch to a parent who wants to stay connected to their kids while keeping them off social media and knowing where they are using real-time tracking. It's definitely a great first-time watch for the younger kids. So after using these watches for 2 of my kids, I can say they've held up really well even during outdoor activities. I also love that only parent-approved contacts can communicate with them.